Okay, so now the problem is, if cos x plus cos y equal to 3 by 7 and cos x minus cos y equal to 5 by 9, we prove that 27 tan x minus y by 2 plus 35 cot x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. For this, the solution is, so first cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 7. So this form is cos c plus cos d, and we know that cos c plus cos d, so apply cos c plus cos d formula. So for this we get that 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2, and that is equal to 3 by 7, and this is taken as a number 1. And next, given that cos x minus cos y equal to 5 by 9, apply the formula cos c minus cos d. So the formula for cos c minus cos d is 2 sin of x plus y by 2 sin of y minus x by 2, that is equal to 5 by 9, taken as 2. And next we do that, we do that 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, so that is nothing but 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 by 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin of y minus x by 2, and this is equal to 3 by 7 by 5 by 9. So both 2 will be cancelled, and this is nothing but cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2 into, so this is same into cos of x minus y by 2 by sin of, and this is nothing but minus of x minus y by 2. Minus will be taken common here, and this is nothing but 3 by 7 into 9 by 5. So therefore we get that 27 by 35. 3 into 9, 27 by 35, and this is nothing but cos by sin, nothing but a cot x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 minus of sin of x minus y by 2. So here we get that cot of x plus y by 2 into minus cot of x minus y by 2 equal 27 by 35. So we get that cot of x plus y by 2 into minus of cos by sin, nothing but a cot of cot of x minus y by 2 is equal to 27 by 35. 27 by 35. That is, so we get that cot x plus y by 2 is equal to, this is into will be converted in this side, we get a minus divided by, we get 27 by 35 into minus 1 by cot of x minus y by 2. So therefore we get that 35 x plus y by 2 equal to minus 27 into 1 by cot. 1 by cot is nothing but a tan of x minus y by 2. So therefore we get that this is minus, the minus will be converted into this side, so this is a cot. So we get that 27 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 35 cot of x plus y by 2, that is equal to 0. So we know that cot theta, that is cot theta is nothing but a cos theta by sin theta, and 1 by cot theta is nothing but a tan theta. So these are the basic formulas are needed. So that is just we recall the problem. So given that cos x plus cos y equal to 3 by 7. So apply the formula of cos c plus cos d. The formula for cos c plus cos d is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 7. And next given that cos x minus cos y equal to 5 by 9. Apply the formula cos c minus cos d. So that is nothing but a 2 sin of x plus y by 2 sin of y minus x by 2 is equal to 5 by 9. We do that 1 divided by 2. So therefore we get that 2, 1, what is the value of 1? 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 divided by 2 sin of x plus y by 2 sin of y minus x by 2 equal to 3 by 7 by 5 by 9. So we simplify that 3 by 7 into 9 by 5. We get that 27 by 35. And we get that cos x plus y by 2 by sin x plus y by 2. The cos by sin nothing but a cot. And here we have the sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta can be written as here sin of y minus x, taken minus as a common. So we get that minus of x minus y, and sin of minus theta can be written as minus sin theta. So here we written as sin of minus theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta, and we do that cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta, the cot x plus y by 2 into cot of my x minus y by 2. This is into will be converted into side, we get divided by, that is 1 by cot of x minus y by 2. So therefore we get that 1 by cot is nothing but a tan theta, that is tan of x minus y by 2. This is a minus, the minus will be converted into this side, we get that plus. So finally we get that 27 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 35 cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to 0.